Ooh. I love clicking photos. Ew. What is this dull, unimaginative? क्या color? क्या? Check this out. वो magic missing है. वो Insta photos वाला magic. How do I take good photos?
Photography is just painting with light. Let me explain.
अब समझ में आया. These photos look amazing. Colors? Check. Lighting? Check. Framing? Mwah, check. Hey, तुम लोग को भी सीखना है ना? Join me with award-winning photographer and little master of photography, Phillip on Click That Perfect Selfie. Our next BYJU'S XCEL Masterclass STEAM session on the 2nd of October at 12 p.m. where we learn the art of photography and the science of cameras. Oh, and one more thing. You stand a chance to win this amazing instant photo printer. All you gotta do is participate in this BYJU'S XCEL Photography Challenge. Details in the description below. Remember, log on to byju'sxcel.com to register now to attend our Masterclass live on the 2nd of October at 12 p.m. Let's see if our expert picks your winning photo.